For years, we've worked with patients whose brains aren't firing at 100%, and here's what I've learned. When you stimulate the correct areas of the brain can change, and lives can change with it. That's exactly what we do here for patients with autism. Hi, I'm Dr. Caleb Stripe, and I'm honored to lead the Brain Performance Center here at Team Healthcare Clinic. Today, I want to take you to a behind-the-scenes look at what a rehab session could look like for you. Here, let's take a look. NeuroSage here is a cutting-edge system that combines light, sound, color, shapes, or even certain movements to help stimulate underactive areas of the brain. Think of it like a reset button that wakes up networks that aren't firing at full capacity. By pairing this sensory system with intentional movement, we help the nervous system process and respond in certain ways. Alongside NeuroSage, we integrate hands-on therapies and purposeful exercises. For example, ResiMax for targeted vibration on key areas of the body, laser therapy to promote cellular energy and healing, tandem standing and different balance drills to develop stability and coordination, and then interactive games and videos with intentional movement patterns that challenge the brain in real time. Then we progress to NSI. Neurological Sensory Integration is what that stands for. This phase sharpens coordination, timing, and processing speed, all while activating the specific regions of the brain that we're targeting. It's not random exercise, it's customized, evidence-based training designed to build new pathways. Think of it as a gym for the brain. Repeated sessions of rehab on the brain help create new neural pathways and patterns. This can translate to improvements in focus, emotional regulation, sensory processing, and daily functioning. At the Brain Performance Center, every therapy is chosen with purpose. We're helping our patients adapt. We're helping their brain functions improve, creating a stronger foundation for their future.